Hey, South Africa, I don't know if you watched the rugby this weekend and Bulls fantastic game. Ambrose Papier again, Cameron Hanekom, the whole Bulls team, what a game. Stormers did fantastic. Lions, unfortunately, not their best game, but it's okay. But the video's about Sasha. Sasha looks like he picked up a bit of an injury. It might affect him for the rest of the season, specifically with the Springboks about to start their campaign. This opens a lot of doors, a lot of questions for a lot of people. Mani is doing good, of course, in Japan, which is good. It's good if our players does well. Andre's had a very good season with the Bulls. So let's see what's going to happen. There's a couple of other fly-offs that could slot in and see. But with Rassie, you never predict ahead of time. But I really hope Sasha is okay because I think it will be great for him to get Springbok practice time in before the World Cup next year. We have a lot of injuries so far this season. Some of them might return during the middle of the season, some not. But let's see what happens. Sasha, I hope you are well. Let's see what happens. I hope for his sake, he's young. This World Cup can be immense for this young man. So let's see what happens. What do you think, South Africa? Will Sasha recover in time? Thank you.